Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have something a little bit different. It is going to be a box from the Alchemy Company, and this is a box that Zia puts together and she sends out, and it is not a subscription. It is a box that she has a special, theme, and it's a tea box. It has special teas and gift items inside, and it will be around a theme. And now what I have is Christmas at the Burrow, and it says please handle with care because it's fragile. And I am going to leave a link down in the description that will take you directly to her next box. Because she's not a subscription, you have to order her boxes as they are available. And right now the next box available is called the Wiz, a Journey Through Oz tea box. So that'll kind of be your little, I'd say, sneak peek on what's coming up if you're interested. If you like this box, then you'd probably like the one coming up. And her website is alchemyintheadirondacks.com/products, and like I said, I'll have that link down in the bottom. But let's find out what's so fragile in here. Now, like I said, this is not a monthly subscription. It's more like when she puts boxes together. And she did have one for October, which I showed you guys. And now we're having Christmas at the Burrow, which will be a Harry Potter theme box. And on the inside, we have a card that says, "Welcome to Christmas at the Burrow. Thank you for your purchase. All the delicious teas in this box can be purchased online at Harney & Sons Fine Teas. Your Christmas mug is filled with hot cocoa and buttered rum. Happy Christmas." So it tells us a little bit about what's in our box. So we've got a few surprises coming up. And then we have another little card that says the Wiz. That's what's coming up for February. So this will be shipped in February. It's the Wiz Journey Through the Oz tea box. And it's going to have ruby fruit, emerald green teas, and yellow brick citrus are the flavor profiles in this box. One selection of wonderful teas along with a teacup candle, trinkets, and other goodies. Order now as boxes are limited. And then, like I said, I will have that link down in the bottom for you. Now, we're going to get to the goodies in this box. And before I do, I want to show you how it looks. It looks like this. And I want to also welcome you all again. And if you're new, I would like to ask you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know all my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to give you a special thank you, a special shout out of hello and how much I appreciate you. And let's find out together what's in this box. The first thing I'm seeing, and I don't think we get a product card. I think we just have to take things out as we see them. I just don't see a card. I see a packed box full of goodies. So, and if you're a tea lover, you're going to love this box. So this is the morning Christmas tea. So we've got to have tea for the morning, and it says Remembrance of Molly's Christmas Pie. This tea contains black tea, apples, and cinnamon. So that sounds really good. And there's a picture of Molly. And I'm sure a lot of you Harry Potter fans will recognize some of these characters. I do not watch very many Harry Potters. I have seen a couple, but I don't know too many. Now in this, we have tea bags. So if you want to take your fresh tea, is what I'm thinking, like this, and you need to make your own tea bags like I would have to do, because I don't have one of those tea brewers, then I could make my own tea bags, and I think that's a nice little touch. Thanks, Zia. And then the next item I'm seeing is Mortar Peril Rescue Tea, and it looks like this, and we have a little comment here. This is a soothing, relaxing, straight-up vanilla tea with only 2 ingredients, black tea and vanilla, and that is our Mortal Peril Rescue Tea. So we've got to be rescued because, you know, in the Harry Potter stories, they always have a little bit of, trouble going on. And now we have the Pumpkin Taste Tea and Biscuit. So with this little packet, we have a biscuit with our tea, and she packages this up so uniquely, don't you think? And don't you love the way that she's kind of put it all in red for Christmas? Because we're having Christmas at the Burrow. And then this here is a classic pumpkin spice made with rhubarb, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg, paired with a pumpkin spice shortbread biscuit from Scotland. Ooh, that sounds very good. And then there's our cookie biscuit. And then that is the information for that particular tea. And these here seem to be in individual tea bags, so that's great. I won't have to bag them up. And then our next package that I'm pulling out of here, like I said, I'm just going with what I see. This is Arthur Wesley's morning tea, and it looks like this. And this particular tea is Arthur Wesley prefers a smooth and subtle fruit tea prior to his day at the Ministry of Magic. And it consists of black tea and hibiscus with hints of cranberry and orange. So there we have that one. So we've just got a whole box of delicious teas, and I'm still pulling out some more. And this one here is de-gnoming tea. And this is a perk me up after a day of de-gnoming the garden. Chocolate mint contains black tea, chocolate, vanilla, and mint. And I can't read all the little small print there, but it says Wesley and Wesley present de-grooming the garden. So we have some more special tea. And we have one more tea in the red package, and it's the Bloody Hell tea. And this here consists of when Ron screams, bloody hell, there's trouble ahead. This mixed up raspberry tea contains hibiscus, rose hips, apple, rum, and mint. Use it to chase the bloody hells away. So there's our little bloody hell tea. And this would have to consist of using those little tea bags that she sent. So that is just such a nice touch. Now we've got some plain red paper here. We have another tea bag. This one's just full of tea. This is Christmas jumper tea. And this here is warm Christmas jumpers are staple. Christmas gifts in the Wesley Burrow. St. Gingerbread tea is full of warmth. The gingerbread tea is full of warmth just like Christmas jumper. Contains black tea, ginger root, cinnamon, molasses, vanilla, and clove. And doesn't that sound wonderful? And there is our Christmas jumper tea. So very, very nice. And this tea, they're in bags, so I can use those without using the tea bags that she sent. I just think that is a great idea. Yeah, that's just wonderful. Okay, now we get down to the special mug cup that we have. Usually with each box you get a special cup. And in this one, it is a Christmas mug, and what's very special about it, and you can see on the inside, she's got peppermint, and there's a wick, so this is also a candle. So it serves two purposes, and I'm going to take this off of here if I can, and see if I can get a little whiff of this candle. The last one smelled so good, and I expect this one to smell like Christmas. And look at all the decor in there. Isn't that just cute? Oh yeah, it smells like nutmeg and cocoa with a little bit of peppermint. Very nice. And then with that, we have some tea straws. And I'm assuming these are flavored with tea. Maybe lemon or something. It doesn't say, but wouldn't that make just a cute gift? And you've got your little tea straws that have like a flavor in it. And like I said, I'm not sure what the liquid flavor would be, but I bet it's very, very tasty. So that's something that I can use with my teas. But guys, that's my Christmas at the Burrow. And I love my little Christmas cup. It looks so nice and festive. And I love the little peppermints and decor. She has a little Christmas tree in there as well. So as a recap, we got this candle teacup of nutmeg and chocolate, just like if you were having hot cocoa with a little bit of nutmeg and marshmallow and peppermint in it. We got our tea straws, we got our tea bags, and we got multiple teas. the Christmas jumper tea, the bloody hell tea. We got our de-gnoming tea for the garden. We got the Arthur Wesley morning tea. We got the Mortal Perel rescue tea. We got our pumpkin pasty tea with our biscuit. And we got our Molly Christmas morning tea. So let me know, what's your favorite? Do you have a favorite? I mean, of course, this is my absolute favorite. But as far as the teas go, my absolute favorite is going to be the pumpkin paste tea with the biscuit. And my next favorite is going to be, I think it's going to be the Molly Christmas morning tea, because it has black tea, apples, and cinnamon. And that sounds very, very good to me. So they both sound good. They're actually all good. And I don't know if you all have a favorite, but I'll hold them up here so that you can let me know if you do have a favorite of these. And that's all I have for Christmas at the Burrow. And again, I will leave a link in the description, and you can purchase the next box, which is a Journey Through Oz tea box. So it should be really lots of fun and something that you may be interested in, especially if you are a tea lover. This is a great box, different blends, and she blends these all herself and packages them. And of course, she did tell us in the beginning where some of these teas were bought, so you would have opportunity to check those out as well. And she'll have that on her site, I'm sure. But as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways, collaborations that may be coming up. And I do want to tell you, I will have my 5 days of Look Fantastic Christmas series coming up real soon, and I'll tell you all about it. But as for now, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.